I'm incredibly proud of our DACMX Python API. It's easy to use and incredibly performant. And in addition, we open sourced all of the metadata and the generation to make that possible. And that was something that I think will really allow our customers to contribute to its success.
Projects, libraries, and classes in LabVIEW were a Herculean effort to get done. And at the time, no one's projects were really big enough to take full advantage of it. But now we have customers with huge projects, launching rockets, thousands of EIs, and they rely on the project daily.
I didn't even know that time is so precious for our users. So for Realtech team, we did months of research into how the people use things, hold things, mount things, and wire things. And it shows that people love it, and we really feel it's great.
My favorite feature that I've worked on is mass deployment of software. Being able to take a piece of software and deploy it to 100 test systems out in the wilderness has really made a big impact for our customers because they don't have to walk around with a thumb drive to remote locations, and something that used to take 3 months now takes a couple seconds.
I love working on the UI and UX of FlexLogger, and it's important to me because I think that having a very clean, easy to use, and enjoyable experience just makes the customer have a much more satisfying time using our software.
I really enjoyed working on getting Thunderbolt implemented into test and measurement products at NI. I got to sit directly with the group within Intel that was developing the standard and give them feedback of what we learned in our own remote control technology to ensure that it worked in a very interoperable way.
I originally wrote QuickDrop in LabVIEW for myself as a way to become a faster LabVIEW programmer. When I realized that it had general appeal, I convinced R&D leadership to include it with LabVIEW, and now, millions of drops later, I'm really happy to think about the thousands of hours of development time LabVIEW programmers have saved around the globe.
Please welcome CTO of Emerson Test and Measurement, Kevin Schultz.
Howdy. So you just heard from some of our R&D engineers that I get to work with every day on what makes the platform special to them. I want you to hear from the experts because I truly believe it's the people as much as the technology that results in great products. So today, as we're walking through the products and features we've been innovating on, I hope you can see what we value and what motivates us. Every feature, every decision, every trade-off is made by an engineer striving to realize the vision that Ritu just laid out. Deliver products that harness revolutionary technology and empower test and measurement engineers like yourself to improve your quality, your time to market, and your return on investment. This is what we've always done. For nearly 50 years, we've been right there with you as technology has advanced. I mean, if you look at our platforms, they're made up of thousands of technology blocks that are continually evolving. Now take this PXI chassis over here. It may look similar to the original PXI chassis and controller, but that one has 300 times the processing power, moves data 400 times faster than the original. You basically have to fill most of this ballroom with original PXI chassis just to do what that one chassis can do. Think about the applications this has enabled in our industry. Well, if these advancements have really shaped our industry, I strongly believe that technology advancements on the horizon today has the potential to change the way you work even more. And these technologies are moving at an unprecedented pace, faster than Moore's Law did for the PC. Now, the end result will be truly intelligent test and measurement systems. Now, I want to be clear what I mean by an intelligent test and measurement system. Intelligent test and measurement system takes what we've already been doing, but adds the latest technologies. AI is obviously a big part of that, but it's more than just AI. It's not the only factor. Native GPUs, cloud compute, cybersecurity advancements, virtual test, all of these and many more will be added. Why? Because your applications will demand it. So our engineers have an exciting but daunting task in front of them. How do they deliver what you need today, but also make sure you're ready for tomorrow? Well, they're going to do that. They're going to do that by continuing to evolve our strong and flexible platform while adding intelligent hardware, software, and data capabilities. What you'll see today is that many of these intelligent test advancements are no longer just hypothetical. They are real and being added into the products you already use. So this morning, as we're walking through the demonstrations, I hope you can see how intelligent tests will benefit you both today and in the future.